So I will tell you genuine review to the keto bread pasta pizza collection so you can see what you see above is the most delicious homemade bread you can imagine. Every buttery bite makes completely forget that you're on a diet. It's perfect for ham sandwiches, grilled cheese sandwiches, bacon, lettuce and tomato sandwiches, and more. The best part is it's 100% keto. Don't be too surprised when your family begs, "When are you going to make some more?" That bread is delicious, it's my favorite. Not just bread. How about delicious keto pasta and pizza? These comfort foods are not only delicious, they also help your body burn fat. In fact, every bite of bread or pasta is fueling your body with vitamins, minerals and fats. These are the foods that you thought you'd have to give up forever, and fat-burning bread, pasta, and pizza delicious, fast, and so easy that anybody can wow their family, while also saving a ton of time and dollar. Starting tonight, you can use this simple kitchen magic trick and turn bread, pasta and pizza into fat-burning, delicious keto meals. And I used this product and very high beneficial product, so overall product is the good and I recommended this product, so if you purchase from my link in the description I will provide this bonus. In order to get that bonus you can contact me on MUI Instagram and send me a screenshot of your purchase and I will send your bonus from burning fat to boosting energy. Even stars like Halle Berry and athletes like LeBron James swear by it. A growing number of doctors and nutritionists are recognizing the potential of a keto diet. Thousands of people are using these exact recipes to wake up every morning loving how they look and feel. This is not a fantasy. It really is possible with this new keto bread, pasta, and pizza cookbook collection. From soft and chewy breads, to rich, hearty pastas, to amazing pizza. This is as easy and delicious as it gets. Hearty pasta dishes that will satisfy the toughest critic. My friends and family thought I was crazy to cut out all carbs and sugar. So whenever they'd come over, I wanted to have meals for them that seemed just like the non-keto versions. It wasn't easy though. I worked for months to create incredible rich, hearty pastas that taste as good or better than the original. So you can see, to make your decision even easier, I'm including $89.97 worth of free digital gifts. And think is product 60-day 100% unconditional money-back guarantee. Even though the keto bread, pasta, and pizza cookbook collection is so crazily cheap, I still want you to feel like that is the best money you've invested in your life. That's why I'm giving you a full 60 days to try everything out and experience the results for yourself. If you don't agree that it was worth way more than the cost of these books, simply send me a quick email and I'll refund every cent. No questions asked and no hassles. So overall product is the good and I recommended this product, so if you purchase from my link in the description I will provide this bonus. In order to get that bonus you can contact me on MUI Instagram and send me a screenshot of your purchase and I will